today, there are many other things that are much more important.
Today, to get the public to attend a picture show, it's not enough to advertise a famous star they know. If you want to get the crowds to come around, you gotta have glorious Technicolor, breathtaking CinemaScope, and stereophonic sound. If folks today could witness Valentino in the Chic, they never would appreciate this lover boy's technique. If you want to hear applauding hands resound, you gotta have glorious Technicolor, breathtaking CinemaScope, and stereophonic sound.
The customers don't like to see the groom embrace the bride unless her lips are scarlet and her mouth is 5 feet wide.
In glorious Technicolor, breathtaking CinemaScope, or
Cinerama,
Vistavision, or
Superscope, or
Tadeo,
and
stereophonic sound, and stereophonic sound.
Now you all remember Lassie, that beloved canine star. To see her wag her tail, the crowds would come from near and far. But at present, she'd be just another hound, unless she had glorious Technicolor,
Breathtaking CinemaScope,
and stereophonic
sound. I lately did a picture at the bottom of the sea. I wrestled with an octopus and licked an anchovy.
But the public wouldn't care if she had drowned, unless she had
Glorious Technicolor,
breathtaking CinemaScope, and stereophonic sound. If Ava Gardner played Godiva riding on a mare, the people wouldn't pay a cent, and they wouldn't even care unless she had glorious Technicolor, or
Cinecolor, or
Warnacolor, or
Metrocolor, or
Eastman color, or
Kodacolor, and any color, and stereophonic sound, and stereophonic sound. There was a time when dancing was so intimate and sleek.
A fella hugged his partner as they cuddled cheek to cheek.
Now he doesn't even know if she's around, because they're in glorious Technicolor, breathtaking CinemaScope, and stereophonic sound. It's not enough today to see a dancer at his ease.
He's got to throw his back out and come sliding on his knees.
He's got to have glorious Russian ballet, or modern ballet, or English ballet, or Chinese ballet, or Hindu ballet, or ballet ballet, or any ballet. And stereophonic sound, and stereophonic sound. Stereophonic sound, and stereophonic as an extra tonic. Stereophonic